Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello Miss Dia, I'm Anissa Namira from 6th semester. I would like to answer about the final exams. So the first is the implementations of error analysis. Number 1 is I born in Bekasi. The error classification is Edward, and the error correction is I was born in Bekasi. Why we are using was because it's the past events, the past tense. And number 2 is I live in Tambun. The error classification is spelling because the error correction is I live in Tambun with V, not Fanta. And also number 3 is I hobby is playing football, swimming, and draw people. Error classification is Edward, word form, and verb tense. The error collection is my hobbies are playing football, swimming, and drawing people. So my hobby is not I but my, and hobby with es. It's the word form. And also the are my hobby are because it mentions there are 3 hobby: football, swimming, and draw. So we using are, not is. It's the first verb tense. And also we using drawing is the adverb. And number 4 is I have 1 sister and 2 brother. The error classification is word form and singular plural. So the correct sentence is I have 1 sister and 2 brothers with S. Yeah, because 2 is more than 1 using S or ES. And the number 5 I school in SMP XX or 20. Error classification is word choice. So the error correction is I study in SMP 20 because school becomes study is a word choice. Number 6 is my favorite food is fried chicken. So the error classification is spelling, and the error correction is my favorite food is fried chicken with fried, not fried. It's the misspell. And also number 7 is my favorite movie is Avenger. The error classification is capitalization. The error collection is my favorite movie is Avenger with big A, not the small a, because it mentions one of the art or movie books is using the capitalizations. Student 2, the data. Number 1 is my name is Dani Purnama. The error classification is capitalizations, and the error correction is my name is Dani Purnama with the big D and P. Why? Because it's the name of person we using capitalization. And number 2 is my hobby is playing football and basketball. The error classification is verb tense, and the error correction is my hobby are playing football and basketball because it's mentioned 2 hobby, not 1 hobby. So we using are. It's a verb tense. And number 3 is I have 2 little sisters. It's the misspell, or error classification is spelling. The error correction is I have 2 little sisters with the double T, little. And number 4, I am school in SMP 20. And error classification is word choice. The error correction is I study in SMP 20. So it's the word choice. The better one is study than school. So number 5 is I'm the youngest inside my family. The error classification is word choice. So the error correction become I am the youngest in my family, not inside. It's too long. And student 3, the data. Number 1 I'm born in Bekasi. The error classification is Edward, and error correction is I was born in Bekasi. So it's the past tense. So we using was, not am. And number 2 is I'm live in Tambun. So the error classification is omit a word because it just I live in Tambun without am. And number 3, my hobby is play game. So error classification is word form because it's become the correction. My hobby is playing game. And number 4, I not have sister but I have 2 brother. So the error classification is singular plural, and word choice or correction will be I don't have sister but I have 2 brothers with don't and s. Number 5 is my favorite food is noodles. The error classification is spelling, so it's become my favorite food is noodles with E. And number 6 is my favorite movie is horror and comedy. The error classification is the same as the spelling, and the error correction is my favorite movies are horror and comedy. Student 4, number 1, my name Anita Sulastri. The error classification is Edward, and error correction is my name is Anita Sulastri. So a word of is. And number 2, my favorite food is noodle. The error classification is singular plural. The error correction is my food is noodles with s because it's plural. And the data number 3, my favorite movie is Dylan. The error classification is capitalization. The error correction is my favorite movie is Dylan with the big D because it's the name of movie. And the student 5, my name is Bobby Sagala. So error classification is Edward. The error correction is my name is Bobby Sagala. So it add the word of is. And number 2, I am born at Bekasi. The error classification is verb tense, so it's used the I was born in Bekasi. And number 3, I live at Bekasi. It's misspelling, so I live in Bekasi. Number 4 is my hobby play game, play football, swimming, and many. So it's the error is word form and add a word. It's become my hobbies are playing game, playing football, swimming, etc. And number 5 is I am school in SMP 20. The error classification is word choice, so it's become I study in SMP 20. Number 6, my favorite food is I like egg. The error classification is word choice and omit a word. Become my favorite food is egg. And the last number, I favorite movie is Avenger. So it's a word choice. Become my favorite movie is Avengers. My is not I. Well, this is the table of recapitulation on student writing error based on the data I've collected. Number 1 is singular plural. The total is 3 with the percent is 9%. Number 2 is word form with the total 4 and the percent is 12.1%. And number 3 is word choice with the total is 7. So it's 21.1%. Number 4, verb tense, it's total 3, it's 9%. And 5, add a word, total is 5, the percent is 15.1%, and omit a word is the total 2 and the percent is 6%, and word orders is 0%, incomplete sentence is 0%, capitalization is the total 3 and the percent is 9%, article is 0%, spelling is 6 with the percent is 18.1%, and the last one is meaning not clear is 0%. And the data interpretation from the calculation of error analysis of student writing above can be seen that word choice is the first rank, is 21.1%, followed by spelling 18.1%, Edward is 15.1%, and word form is 12 with 1.1%, verb tense, singular and capitalizations is 9%, omit word is 6%, and the last error is on the word order in complete sentence, article, meaning not clear are 0%. So this is enough from me. Thank you very much.